Hello and welcome to another MCO update on Solana. Solana remains under selling pressure and we're currently trying to break below the Monday low that formed around $143. I already shared within our membership earlier today that it's likely that we get another low here. Follow the blue scenario. I already provided targets for that, or at least the next levels to watch, like the next checkpoint, should the yellow scenario for directly one more high get invalidated, which I find very, very likely at this point because the market has failed to react to upper micro support, to this micro support region for a potential 1-2 setup to the upside. The overall market is simply under, I'd say, too much selling pressure for Solana to make that move to the upside. So we want to talk a little bit about that. The overall idea is that we have seen only 3 waves to the upside from the April low. And the idea was that maybe wave 4 already bottomed here on the 30th of April, but then the market really needs to turn around right now because we're just now breaking below the 78.6 retracement. We're exactly there, actually. So in case wave 4 already bottomed, which is a plausible scenario due to a possible 5-wave move up, right, into the 1st of May high. So for one more high more directly, as per the yellow scenario, well, we said the ideal scenario is that we do not get a decisive break below $143.40. Well, it hasn't happened yet, right? We don't have that decisive break. And the invalidation point, I can actually mark it on the chart more clearly in red. The invalidation point is this line, which is defined at $140.60. So that's the invalidation point for the 1-2 setup. Any break below that will confirm that the yellow scenario has to be removed from the chart. I will probably then replace blue with yellow, just shift the wave 4 over because it's essentially the same scenario. It's just a different variation of the same. Because the question at the moment that we're overall dealing here with on this chart is, do we get one more high in wave 1 or A from the A wave low, from the April low to form 5 waves up, or are we stuck with a 3-wave move, right? That's the first question, actually, right? That's the main, or it's rather the main question. And that can happen in 2 ways, that one more high, either directly or after one more low. In the blue scenario, in both counts, I would still consider this a wave 4 due to the depth of the pullback, which is, well, it's quite weak, right? That pullback is quite weak, quite a shallow move down. Also compared to some other cryptos, and the performance of the April low was quite good. Structure is quite clear. Just no evidence yet that the bulls are turning up to start the 3rd wave here in yellow more directly. So if we get another low, and also if we break below $140.60, then it's the next checkpoint to watch. The next area to watch on the nano level here is this Fibonacci extension zone. It's measured based on the initial decline and compared with the length of this move, that started on the 1st of May. So we talk about $138 to $128.80 as next support. So this would be an area to watch, 4 levels there to watch: $137.91, $134.38, $132.27, and $128.86. And there is some Fibonacci confluence here between the larger degree Fibonacci box and the smaller degree, around $128 to $130. So these are the areas to watch. At the moment, it would take minimally a break above the $147.60 area, these last swing highs, to suggest a low of sorts has formed. Until then, pressure remains downward against that high because we're in a downtrend from the 1st of May high. And simply watching if the bulls can turn up, but no evidence right now. So I will not remove yellow yet. It still has a chance, but it's low probability. The bulls really need to drive the price higher, above $147.70 or so. And then it will increase in probability. And that would still be an early signal. So yeah, I'll keep you updated about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.